to recover deleted videos on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, download and install Disk Drill for the Mac on your computer. Then, select the drive or partition where YouTube videos were last seen before being deleted. Then, click the Recover button to start scanning your disk. Disk Drill searches for your videos and you can narrow the search by filtering on the file types you are interested in recovering. The application will return a list of the files that can be recovered. Now, select the YouTube videos that you want to recover from the list. Provide a recovery location that is different from the original location to avoid file corruption. Then click the recover button again and the file selected in the previous step will be restored to your recovery destination. So that is it. The simple procedure will let you watch deleted YouTube videos on a Mac again. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.